Yes, I'm making this video. It's about the Trumpcoin. What an amazing image. This is so loud. It's amazing, isn't it? Want to start off with this, guys. 2009, Bitcoin is launched. Okay, no one used it. 2012, 2013, only nerds use it. 2015, only criminals use it. 2016, governments will ban it. 2017, only speculators use it. 2019, only small percentage of the world use it. 2020, only small companies use it. 2021, only small countries. That's the Naya Bukele, what is it? El Salvador, adopting Bitcoin as a national currency, right? And then 2022, no one can ban it. The rest of the crypto is security. And 2024, I think that's the important part. Presidential candidates embrace it so they don't lose an election. Dun dun dun. Okay, what's happening with Trumpcoin? Of course, this is the place to be. If you haven't done so, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn all the notices on so that you can stay updated. Okay, we've made some pretty mad analysis in the recent week, and a lot of people have been incredibly profitable because they trade crypto. Today, the topic is about Trumpcoin. Okay, look, you know me, I'm very technical. I'm very analytical about where price action goes, and I look for opportunities to actually enter into it. Obviously, the best time to enter was the beginning of the launch of Trumpcoin, because Trumpcoin actually did really well on the backs of TikTok ban happening, and then it's like not being banned anymore. Only for like less than a day it was banned because Donald Trump was going to come back and restore it as well, so they're going to delay the ban, which is interesting. We've got almost just under 4 hours left to go. Gary Gensler is out, and of course it's done really freaking well. I mean, I loaded this page not 1 hour ago. Okay, this is obviously the ranking by market cap, and of course we've had the ranking for, now I can't find it, official Trump around about that around 22 ranking, but then it's already sitting at 9 billion. It's sitting higher than the ranks above, so it's actually gone up 3 ranks since I loaded the page. It was actually 9.8 billion, so it was actually sitting above Polkadot just by Shiba Inu, which is like one of the second largest meme coin in the world right now. And this will happen within like a day of launching Trumpcoin. Okay, it was absolutely nuts. It actually hit just over, I think it was 24 billion in market cap in day one. Okay, 24 billion market cap, and it's just adjusted back down, which is obviously evident by the graph and the charts that we see right here on Bitunix, which is the crypto exchange that we love to trade on. So if you'd like to go and get started on Bitunix, go to the link in the description. The video that you're watching right now with this incredibly handsome fella, go down below. There is a link in the description where we are dishing out more than 20% in deposit bonuses. Deposit 100, get your 20, 500, get your 100, 2,000, 400. Simple math for those of you who graduated primary school or elementary school if you're from the United States. This campaign period is only available up to February 10th, and how to get started is by clicking on the link in the description, and then coming to this page and then clicking on this very link that you see right here. When you sign up, you get a $5 trading bonus straight off the bat, free $5 right off the cuff, and you are able to make a 20% gain straight away as soon as you make that deposit to trade with. Why do we love Bitunix so much? Well, it is in the top 15 cryptocurrency exchanges on derivatives. Hitting as of September 2024, according to CoinGecko, which is obviously the North Star of cryptocurrency market, sort of neck and neck with CMC, of course. So obviously it's not ranked so high for no reason. It hits $1 billion a day in trading volume. Obviously incredibly liquid exchange. A lot of the whales on the cryptocurrency content creation world on YouTube are all trading on it. You go and find out. It is definitely made its way onto the top tier sort of exchange group, I would say, with the likes of Binance and everything else, right? Obviously. But with that being said, it is still an underdog. And with the thing about the underdog is that it actually hooks you up with a lot of value. It's an incredible exchange. Copy trading is also a new feature that's been added on, which this channel covers quite a lot, and a lot of followers and subscribers on this channel who faithfully take on that activity is making a lot of money right now. And of course, Trump official has launched on Bitunix as well. So if you are the type of person that wants to trade on on the Trumpcoin, the official Trumpcoin that has been launched by Donald Trump himself, the POTUS of US, I guess POTUS means pot of US. Okay, and you can actually make your trades on Bitunix exchange. So that being said, let's jump right back into the video. So look, the technical levels are playing out. Okay, we understand how technicals work. It's bouncing off the support and the resistance that was created by the previous sort of price indecision and price level. Very strong level of support, and it's gone up there. And you know what, that gain there is not is no joke. You know, that already there is like 23% gain, which I think on a leverage basis, which which Bitunix does offer on a futures exchange as well, is quite a lot of money, and there is an opportunity for you to make money. But obviously, it is an incredibly volatile space. So if your seed is small, do risk smaller amounts of money. But if you're a DJ, if you want to make lots of money, well, then this is an opportunity for you to do that as well. We've seen that that Trumpcoin has made almost 600% gain like over the last 7 days. So it's an incredible growth that we're seeing right now. About 6x, a very successful launch, if I may. So yeah, I mean, but right now it is sitting at $9 billion in market cap, and it's soared quite high up already. Now, if it was to say 3x from here, that would make it rank on about 3x, only 3x. It would then make it sit above Tron and below Cardano. That's pretty huge. Okay, so that's pretty freaking huge. I mean, can it happen? Yes. I've seen more incredible things happen on cryptocurrency exchange, cryptocurrency market. Is it likely to happen? That's where the question mark is. I personally don't think so. I think this is probably where it's going to be. Look, but who knows? I mean, but POTUS is pretty powerful, right? I mean, he's probably the second most famous person on Twitter. Okay, X. The first most famous person on X was what's his name? Elon Musk, because he owns the dang thing, so he controls the exposure there, obviously. And he created that. Not he created that, but he made that happen. I don't think he's behind it or anything. But with Donald Trump, what's really worth noting is the allocation. So about 80% is allocated to the creators, okay? And I'm guessing, Donald Trump himself is involved in that a lot as well. There's going to be a supply that comes out over the next, 3 years as well. Make of that what you want to make of that. It means that there is it's got to get pretty interesting. Obviously, we've had a pretty bad day today in terms of Bitcoin and the price movements of the altcoins as well. But obviously, Trumpcoin is doing something different. That's what meme coins do, obviously. And so there are opportunities that is presenting here. But obviously, this channel we cover a lot more on the price movements that are more predictable and more established assets as well. But if it's a degen play that you want to make because there's an opportunity, well, I think yeah, whether you do a spot or a future, there is an opportunity here for you as well for the moves up and down if you can catch them well. I suspect that I suspected that there was going to be a level here, but with the price action being very, very volatile, I do suspect that it could crash as low as that $25 mark in the near future. And if that doesn't happen, it's going to moon, and I'm going to be wrong. And in that case, if you had bought and you made money, don't jump to criticizing me, but celebrate because you made money, of course. But I think, look, I don't think it's going to be a hot tour, okay? Hot tour had no idea what the heck they were doing. Donald Trump understands, I think, crypto to some degree. I mean, he has some proper influence over it. So if there was anything that was going to do well and had some sustainability over the long term, then I would suspect that Trumpcoin could be it. But as you can see, there is quite a lot of volatility. I'm talking within 30 minutes. Okay, just that one candle, there is a 12% move there within 30 minutes. So there's a lot of opportunity there if you want to buy and sell. I mean, if you want to futures leverage that stuff, I mean, more balls to you. But if you just do a spot and then just enter into the lows and sell the highs with the future with the low leverage, I guess, then I think you've got some gains to be made on Trumpcoin as well. I think there is further upside just with the previous high that's been set. It's only been day one, so I suspect the price action could actually rise for a little bit longer, probably within this price region here. And if this support not holding, we're going to expect the price action to fall to the next level of support, which I suspect will be around about here, and then the next being around about here. So I do expect the price action being explored in that level as well. Okay, go make some trades.